Do I even need to soundproof my studio? This is the main question you should ask yourself before even looking at soundproofing. You will want to soundproof your studio if you have high volumes of ambient background noise in your room. Most houses in a moderately quiet neighborhood will not need to be soundproofed. You may need to wait to record during quieter times of the day, but overall, some background noise won't ruin your recordings. The reason I'm saying this is I have had 3 home studios, all in different rentals here in Nashville, that were not soundproofed. All 3 were just spare rooms in a house. Now, it would be nice to have a soundproof room, but the cost and effort needed is huge. I spent $43,000 on my studio, and it took me a full year while working full-time to finish it. Now, $43,000 is a ton of money, but for essentially building a house in my backyard, it was actually a pretty good deal. However, I want you to know that I worked in non-soundproof home studios for 6 years before building my dream studio. Just to put this all in perspective, I grew my business as a producer to my full-time income and have had music I recorded and mixed placed on a major TV network television show, all from a spare bedroom in my house. Soundproofing will not make your music better, it will just reduce ambient noise in your room. Now, you may have to soundproof if you play really loud music at all hours of the day and the neighbors just won't have it. You may also need to soundproof if you are in a busy city or near a busy road with constant traffic. In a lot of situations, you may find it is cheaper to move than to soundproof. I know that is not what you want to hear, but it could save you a lot of time and money in the long run. If you're going to soundproof your studio, I highly recommend getting a copy of Home Recording Studio, Build It Like the Pros by Rodger Weiss. I used this book for my studio build, and it was an invaluable resource. There is a link for the book in the notes below this lesson.